Okay, so what we're doing now is this is a meeting situation. So in the video, the people have stopped to give way to the oncoming car. We've got a parked car on our side. Things to improve and look out for and make sure you do. Pull in near the centre of the road. That shows the vehicles behind that you're not waiting against the curb parked. You're waiting to move off. You're holding back. Wait at least 2 car lengths back from that vehicle. That gives you space. In the video, perhaps wait a little bit before the junction, so if that car on the right wanted to turn right, there's space for them to do it, so try and keep the junction clear. But the most important thing is check your mirrors, your blind spot, and use a signal to move off if it's safe to do so. Because there might be someone overtaking.